How to make money using the organic way of generating traffic.
So maybe you are curious, you are wondering, you're confused. JB, I learned about the organic way of generating traffic or the organic way of running my business. And so but I'm not yet making money. And so in this video, I'm going to share with you what is that big reason why you're not making money making organic posts or posting your content, your information in social media or in all of these platforms for free. So let me share with you the reason, guys, that the one of the mistakes. So I've experienced this. I really fell into this big trap. Before when I was starting out, and I didn't know this concept of really maximizing the organic way or creating your content of being to generate income, to be able to build a business just by creating content without the paid strategy, without the paid ads. Although if you are interested about the paid strategy, paid traffic way of generating your business, generating your lead, building your business, I want you to click the link below this video, because there's more video that will discuss about the details of how do you now generate traffic through paid ads. So let's go back to this video. So how do you now, what is that big mistake that most content creators or that most coaches, trainers, consultants are making? That's why they're not making money creating organic content, creating content for their audience. Okay, so let me share with you the concept of funnels. Okay, there are so many applications of funnels, but today I'm going to share with you the application of funnels using the organic way of posting or using the organic strategy of creating content. Right? So when you create a post, when you create a video or a blog article or a let's say an information educational post in your social media, and then so you're promoting your brand, right? You're promoting your brand, and then you're attracting audience, right? The problem is they don't have that next step. You're not inviting them to go to the next step after watching your video, after reading your article, or after reading your post, right? So a funnel is actually a step-by-step procedure for your target audience, for your prospect, that, it will help him or her go through this journey so that at the end, he or she will be able to invest or buy or really, enroll in your program. So that's where the sale comes in. Right? So the organic way of generating leads or converting your prospects into a student or into a client is actually when you do a post, you make sure that after your post at the end of your post, you have there a call to action. You have there a link, right? You have there let's say this video that I'm recording right now for you, and you will expect that at the end of this video I'm going to invite you to go and click and download a certain material, a free gift that I have for you that's related to this video. So I'm sure that all those who are watching this video right now are my prospects or are my qualified audience or customers for that product that I will be giving to you, right? And so now when you click that link or when you download that free material, there's actually a series of emails that you will be receiving from me, right? And so this emails is this series of emails is actually my way of adding more value to my prospect, to you. And then so at the end of this series of emails, I'll be inviting you, if you want to learn more, I'll be inviting you to a deep dive program. And so that's where now the money comes in. So if you're a content creator, if you're a coach, if you're an consultant, that's what you're missing, right? We do this post, we do this, all of this free content, right, in our social media accounts, but we're not really inviting them to go through a certain funnel. So the funnel is actually what we are missing right now, okay? So just remember that whatever you post in social media, maybe Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, or whatever platform, right, that you are LinkedIn, that you are maximizing right now, you need to make sure that there's a call to action. There's another step in order for them to really be more closer to you, right, to learn more from you. And so, of course, it's their decision, right? Now, but once they get interested, once they find, value with the content that you're creating, I'm pretty sure they will click that link and then they will download the free material. And then, of course, that's your chance now to serve them more. And then, of course, that's your chance now as well. As they go through the funnel, that's your chance now to invite them to a paid program, right? That's a win-win, setup. Of course, they will be investing, but of course, when they invest, that means that they, will be committed and that they will also be learning more from you. And so now for you as the coach, as the trainer, as the, content creator, that's your chance now, that's your opportunity now to serve them more, to give more value. Because, in a video or in a post, that's not enough, right? The content will never be enough in one video or in one post. So that's why you're inviting them to go and be part of your community or your funnel, right? And so that you'll be able to serve them more. All right. So I hope that you learned from this mistake. I fell really into this big trap, big mistake of not maximizing my free content and really inviting them to go through a funnel and being able to, serve them more. And of course, as the lesson that I have shared with you here, I want to invite you to go ahead and click the link below this video, because in that link, I'll give you a free material, a free gift, so that for you, you will have this first set of questions, first set of guide, right? That will help you create your very first product, so that your first product will be irresistible, so that it will be very attractive and will be very powerful, very saleable when you offer it to your target audience. Okay, so don't forget and just really go and scroll down and click that link below this video. And of course, I want you to subscribe, please, to this channel, because I'm going to give you more information, more free content, more free value, and because I want to serve you even more in your journey of turning your expertise into a highly profitable business online.